Parts of the house. House. This is house. Roof. This is roof. Window. This is a window. Door. This is a door. Garage. This is a garage. Garage. Living room. This is a living room. Bedroom. This is a bedroom. Kitchen. This is a kitchen. Bathroom. This is a bathroom. Dining room. This is a dining room. Study room. This is a study room. Garden. This is a garden.